My Way Teaching Aids Private Limited.
Maths. Grade 6 Unit 7. Data handling. Data. The word data means a collection of information about anything. So, a data is a collection of numbers, words, measurements, things, or just a description of things gathered to give some information. Examples: the temperature of different cities in the country. Raw data. The data collected in the original form is called raw data. The District Football Association collected the ages, in years, of the football players are 14, 13, 17, 12, 15, 16, 14, 15, 13, 12, 15, 14, 16, 17. This collection of data is called raw data. Each of the value in the raw data is called an observation. Types of data. There are two types of data based on collection. Collecting data. Primary data. Secondary data. List of absentees in the class. Food preference of a group of people in the restaurant. List of contact numbers from telephone directory. Cricket scores gathered from a website. Recording data. Recording data using specified symbols helps us to check the collected information quickly and easily. Organization of data. Data organization is a process of organizing raw data in a tabular form. Frequency table. A frequency table is a table that lists items and shows the number of times the items occur. Tally marks are vertical lines used to show the frequency of the data. Frequency tells the number of times the particular observation occurs. Example 1. The given frequency table shows the people's favorite part of Christmas. Each of the tally marks shows a single person who likes that part of Christmas. Each item of this table, making sweets, giving gifts, carols and music, time with friends and family, is called an observation. Data handling. Gathering and recording information and then presenting it in a way that it is meaningful to others is called as data handling. Pictograph. Pictograph or pictogram is a representation of data through pictures or symbols. It helps to answer the questions on the data at a glance. A scale is included with the pictograph to explain what each picture represents. Example: number of blue-colored boxes sold by William, a shopkeeper, in 6 days of a week is shown below as a pictograph. Bar graph. A bar graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data using bars of uniform width drawn horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. The length of the bar depends upon the number it represents. Example: the following graph tells the favorite ice creams in a class of 35 students. We see that the bar representing the number of students who like chocolate is the tallest. So, students' most preferred ice cream is chocolate.
Thanks for watching this video.